I call this my Frankenbattery because it's a bunch of 12 volt batteries I had on my 12 volt system put into series with each other to make a 48 volt battery. It's all inside of a wheeled tote with a rubber seal on top to make it somewhat waterproof or water resistant. And then I have in the bottom of the actual tote a piece of wood that is glued to the bottom to try to keep water out rather than screwed to the bottom using construction adhesive. You can see that it was wired for 12 volts here. I had some inputs with some connectors here to be able to charge the battery directly, but I've kind of abandoned those since I converted to 48 volts. I have an MRBF 125 amp fuse on there, and then so that I can easily turn the power off and on the actual battery without disconnecting the cables, I installed a circuit breaker here as well, on a 125 amp circuit breaker. So far it seems to work okay, but definitely not great compared to something like a server rack battery.